Assalamualaikum. I'm AUNI. We present the summary of the project. Movie ticket booking system is a digital platform that allows customers to conveniently browse movie showtime, select seat and purchase ticket for any device with an internet connection. This seamless process improves efficiency for both customer and ticket owners. Moreover, the system uses a movie structure to hold all the important details about each film like its title, showtime, ticket price and seating arrangement. Therefore, this can help to keep everything organized and easy to manage. The seating is shown as a simple 5x5 grid where each seat is either marked as O for available or X for book. Thus, this makes it easier for users to quickly identify which seats are still open and which are taken. The system also allows users to do three main things such as check out the list of available movie, book their ticket and exit the system whenever they are done. When user want to book a movie ticket, the user will be presented with a list of available film along with their showtime and ticket price. The booking features enable user to select a movie, view the seating grid and choose their desired seat. For example, once they select a movie, the system will show them a seating chart where they can pick their desired seat. The system will check to ensure that their seat selection are valid and available. And once they choose them, it will be marked as S because it was booked. Additionally, user can also book multiple seats in one go for the same movie and the total price will automatically update based on the number of tickets they have selected. After the user booking is complete, a receipt will be shown with all the details such as movie title, showtime, number of tickets, the seat you have chosen, and the total cost. The system interactive design and seat selection features provide all intuitive way to manage booking as well as ensuring that seat availability is always accurate and up to date. Specifically, the project focused on essential aspects such as data management, seat reservation logic, and user interaction to facilitate users.
Problem statement. The first is streamlining the ticket booking process for user. For this, customer have to visit the theater, wait in long queues and select seats, which is a very time-consuming and frustrating. The second is preventing overbooking and managing seat availability. Seats may be double booked due to outdated availability updates, leading to customer disappointment. The next is handling payment failures and providing secure transactions. Means of payment are either not available or irrelevant, leading to delay or unsuccessful transaction. For the finally is handling scalability during high traffic times. High traffic during weekends, holidays, or big movie release usually brings the system to crow or crash, leading to loss of bookings and disappointment among customers. Objective. The primary objective of this project is to develop a movie ticket booking system using face recognition technology that allows users to book tickets for movie. The system is designed to be user-centric, providing a seamless experience for both users and administrators. The specific objectives include the first is to provide an intuitive and responsive user interface for booking movie tickets. The second is to enable administrators to manage movies and user accounts efficiently. The third is to implement a real-time database for managing movie information and booking transactions. The fourth is to ensure a secure and reliable booking process. And the last is to enhance security and streamline access control by automatically identify individuals based on their facial features.
Okay, now I will show you the code for a movie ticket booking system written in C++. This program allows users to view available movies, check seat availability, and book tickets. We start by defining a structure called movie. This structure is the backbone of our program because it holds all the essential details for each movie, which is the name of the movie, showtime, the ticket price, and a setting chart. The setting chart is a 5x5 grid represented as a 2D array. Initially, all seats are marked as O, which indicates that they are available. If a seat is booked, it gets marked as X. The first key function in our program is display seats. This function is responsible for showing the seating arrangement for a particular movie. It displays the row labeled as A to E and column number from 1 to 5. When a seat is booked, it updates the chart, and this function can be called again to show the updated availability. Next, we have display menu. Instead of hard-coding the menu into the program, the menu is read from an external file called menu.txt. This approach makes it easier to update the menu without modifying the code. The function uses file handling to open the file, read its content line by line, and display it. If the file is not found, it shows an error message. Now, let's move on to the main part of the program, which is the main function. Here, we first create an array of 3 movie objects, each representing a movie available for booking. Each movie has its own name, showtime, ticket price, and setting chart. The program uses a do-while loop to keep running until the user decides to exit. Inside this loop, the display menu function is called to show the available options. The user can then enter their choice. If the user selects option 1, the program lists all the movies along with their showtime and ticket price. It uses a loop to go through the array of movies and display their detail in a clean and formatted way. If the user selects option 2, they can book tickets for a movie. First, they are prompted to choose a movie by entering its number. The program then validates the input to make sure it's a valid choice. Once the movie is selected, the display seat function is called to show the current availability of seat. The user is then asked how many tickets they want to book. For each ticket, the program prompts the user to select a seat by entering a code like A1 or C5. The code is converted into row and column indices to access the correct seat in the 2D array. Before booking the seat, the program checks if it's valid and seat available. If the seat is already booked or the input is invalid, the user is asked to try again. Once a valid seat is selected, it's marked as X to indicate it's been booked. After all the tickets are booked, the program calculates the total cost by multiplying the number of tickets by the movie's ticket price. A receipt is then generated summarizing all booking details, including the movie name, showtime, the number of tickets, the seat number, and the total cost. The display seats function is called again to show the updated seating arrangement. Finally, if the user chooses option 3, the program displays a thank you message and exits.
Now, let's move on to the output demonstration. First thing first, to use our system, you have to make sure the text document file is open, or else the screen will display an error message like this. If you have opened the text document file, the screen now should appear like this. There are 3 options you could choose, which is whether to view movies, book tickets, or to exit after you're done. If you choose number 1, the list of available movies will appear on the screen. Next, to book a ticket, enter choice number 2. The system will ask the number of movies that you want to book. For example, number 1 for Titanic. Now, the screen will display the available seats for Titanic at 10 p.m. Then, enter the number of tickets you would like to book. Let's say I want to book only 1 ticket. And for the seat, I would like to book B4. Now, screen will display that the seat B4 is booked successfully. Ticket details are also displayed and the seating arrangement is updated. The seat that has been booked is now marked with X. Lastly, the receipt will be printed with details of the movie, showtime, number of tickets, seats, and the total price. Now let's say you want to book another ticket for the same movie. Just choose number 2 to book the tickets again. Now choose number 1 for the same movie, which is Titanic. You can see now that the seat B4 is marked with X, which means that the seat is unavailable. Let's say now I want to book 2 tickets at A1 and A2. Ticket details will be displayed and the seating arrangement is updated again, now with 3 unavailable seats. Lastly, receipt is printed with the booking details. Now what happens if you choose another choice number that is not stated in the options? For example, number 4. The system will display that your choice is invalid and to try again with another choice. Besides that, our system also have error message for invalid seats. For example, if you choose seat that is not stated in the seating arrangement, such as A6, the screen will display invalid seat choice and please try again. Last but not least, what happens if you choose a seat that has already been booked? As displayed in the seating arrangement, the seat B4 is already marked with X. So if you choose the same seat, the screen will display that seat B4 is already booked. Please choose another seat. After you are done with the booking process, enter choice number 3 to exit the system.